Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the cabinet disc. Let's get started. To draw a cube, begin by placing the cabinet disc on a flat drawing surface. Trace the center hole of the disc and then draw dots on the corner of the hexagon shape. Next, trace the shape of the disc to create the side of the cube. Once you have traced the shape, remove the disc and connect the center, drawing the corners of the hexagon using one of the sides of the disc. This will give its three-dimensional appearance. To draw a small six-pointed star, simply follow the engraved markings on the disc and trace the dots. The cabinet disc has markings that guide you in creating the shape, making it easy to draw with precision. Once you have traced all the dots, connect them using one of the sides of the disc to form the shape. This will create asymmetrical shape. You can also draw a bigger hexagon by drawing marks on the corner of the disc and connecting the dots with a ruler. To draw a smaller hexagon using the cabinet disc, follow the engraved markings on the disc. Locate the markings for the size of the hexagon you want to draw and trace the dots and remove the disc. Connect the dots to form the shape. You can also draw different sizes of circles. Just grab another pen and follow these easy steps. First, place the ellipse disc on a flat surface and insert one pin into a hole. Then take your second pin and insert it into another hole. While keeping the first pin stable, rotate the disc with the second pin to draw your circle. Draw like a pro with Ddiin.